Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred a 42-year-old civilian in the Kupwara district. The troops martyred the civilian identified as Mukhtar Ahmad Shah during a cordon and search operation on the intervening night of 28th and 29th August. Dead body of a missing engineer Gurmeet Singh was recovered in the Jhelum River in the Baramulla district. The engineer of the Roads and Buildings Department, Gurmeet Singh, had gone missing a few days ago when he left his home in the Baramulla. All parties Hurriyat Conference has reiterated its call for Haidarpura Chalo on the second martyrdom anniversary of the veteran Kashmiri leader Sayyid Ali Gilani on Friday in occupied Kashmir. APHC leaders in their statements issued in Srinagar urged the Kashmiris living across the line of control and abroad to hold protest demonstrations on the day to expose the Indian crimes in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir. New Delhi-controlled state investigation agency has arrested a religious leader, Sajjan Barkati, in a fake case in Shopian. The NIA claimed that Barkati was involved in an extensive fundraising campaign through crowdfunding. Kashmiri politicians Mehbooba Mufti and Umar Abdullah have strongly reacted to the suspension of a lawyer teacher, Zahoor Ahmad Butt, who pleaded his petition on the abrogation of Article 370 before the Indian Supreme Court. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti wrote on X, formerly known as Twitter, "This is just the tip of the iceberg." National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah wrote on Twitter that grateful to Kapil Sabil for raising the issue of Zahoor Butt in the Indian Supreme Court. Imam of historical Dargah Hazrat Bal Maulana Sayyid Ahmad Farooqi passed away at his residence in Srinagar on Monday after a brief illness. Maulana Sayyid Ahmad Farooqi led the prayers at the Dargah Hazrat Bal for over 2 decades. Pakistan caretaker Prime Minister's Special Assistant on Human Rights and Women Empowerment, Mishal Hussain Malik, has said that rape is being used as a weapon in the occupied Kashmir to instill fear among the public. Addressing an event in Islamabad today, she said that this must be condemned and stopped.